Good throw.
A ball.
Monkey in the middle.
Oops, sorry. Uh-oh. The coffee. Did you say that?
Yeah.
How about that? Take the coffee. Take attention.
You got it. You got it. Up. Right here? Okay, good one. Good one.
You drop it?
Good arm.
Good arm.
Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Catch it. Catch it. Yeah, almost.
Almost caught it.
Lost it.
What, you lost it? You lost it again? Can you find it again? You think you'll find it? Here? You find it? Hoppa! You lost it?
That's a big ball. Oh.
We don't like this big ball.
No.
Do we? We like the ping pong ball.
Does I like you paint of this Patagonia? I love them.
Get it out. I don't want to think about putting it.
Yeah, that's not a good thing to put in his mouth.
Hey, gentle, sweetie, gentle.
Oren, you say sorry.
Owie, you hurt my eyeball. You hurt my eyeball. Owie.
Eyeball.
Oh,
Oren, you say sorry.
oh no.
No.
Don't laugh.
Not that one.
Are you say sorry?
You hurt me, Oren. Owie. No,
Don't do
owie.
it to baby.
You know, you're a criminal here.
Owie. Owie.
Oren, you say sorry to Palsy.
Oh.
No.
Give
Give me a hug.
You say sorry. Oh, he feels badly. Say sorry.
Give me a hug, okay, Oren? Give me a hug.
You say sorry.
Please.
He feels badly.
שהוא ידע שזה הפרזנט שלו שם.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna do it like right by the door in the corner,
Oren, can I have a hug?
Baby doll.
the front door. You say sorry, Oren.
At my